What's going on, Amazon sellers? Coach CHRISPECT here, the wise guy on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a product using your cell phone to your inventory on Amazon Seller Central. So the first thing you want to do is hit the scanner button in the top right corner. That will bring up your product and you want to scan the barcode. From there, what you want to do now is you want to look at your actual inventory to see if you are eligible to sell the product. Just make sure you do that before you actually buy the product. So selling eligibility, yes, we can sell it. That's good. So the next thing we want to do is the bottom right corner, hit the list button. Click that. It brings up your listing, your items. So you can look at your product details. You can check the condition. And we want to put the condition as new if you're selling new products. Now you can also sell old products. Next, we want to add price. Here we can put in the price, any price we want, $1,000 for this puppy, or we can match the existing price. Okay, then the next option you have is you can choose your fulfillment channel. Do you want to ship it yourself, or do you want Amazon to fill the orders? That's what I do, so I'm going to hit Amazon, and I'm going to click continue. This is going to bring up the review stage. And we're going to look at it and just make sure everything looks good to us. And then we are going to submit our listing. And congratulations, you've successfully listed your product. All right, guys, that was a quick tip from Coach CHRISPECT, the wise guy on Instagram. We'll see you in the next video.